There we go.
And he always likes playing with candles that are unstained burns.
Yeah, they don't stay burned. They just keep lighting up again.
What the?
This was supposed to be in a heart shape.
Uh-oh.
All right. These candles are crazy. Look, they're like all the way down. They're like so short now. Oh,
the smoke.
Yeah. Oh no.
I looked in.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Makes him angry.
I think more of them are lighting up.
Oh God, why?
And more sparkling is shooting up in us.
Do you think they're gonna light up anymore?
The light's coming up.
One of them wants to.
Happy birthday!
Happy quackity quack! After we always play with these candles.
That was pretty funny. Hey, can you give Daddy a big happy birthday hugging kiss?
Hey. Thanks, bud.
I can't blow a noisemaker. I never blew a noisemaker before.
Oh yeah?
All
Oh,
right.
very good.
Cool.
You like that now? You see the possibilities in that? Sweet mother of pearl.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
It's like a game of trying to knock down the sprayer.